Hi guys, and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to download the Reels or Stories on your phone. First thing you need to do is go to a Reel, click on Share, and then click on Copy Link. After that, go to Google and type Snap Insta. Click on the first link. After that, click on this one to download Reels, and here you paste the link. Now click on paste, and after that click on download. After that you scroll down and again click on download video. After that go to gallery, go to downloads, and here you have your reel, also with audio. Same thing you need to do is for Instagram post or stories. If you want to download the story, click on share, click on copy link. Then when you go to Snap Insta, select the third one and paste the link. Click on download, scroll down and click on download video. After that, go to gallery, go to downloads, and here you have your story. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us in the comments below what you want to see in the next video, and I will see you next time.